So what we have here is a Google Home Mini. So let's open it. So we just have some plastic wrap here that we just need to get rid of. And now we can open up the box. Okay, it opens up here. Wow, I'm kind of an idiot. Alright, so... And right here we already have the Google Home Mini. It looks really nice. Looking at it up close is actually really cool. It looks somewhat like a rock. I like it so much. Alright, so... What else we have in here is just some packaging for that. We'll throw that right there. And here's a manual to get started. Right here. And also what we have in here is of course a charger, which is what you need for every product, of course. So we'll just set that right here. Move this over here into the trash can. So it looks like we have nothing else in here, but let's check first. Okay, there's nothing else in here. So I'll come back when this is set up. Okay, so now that we have everything set up, we just need to open up the Google Home app I just installed. So right here is the Google Home app. Get started. So I'll just choose my account right here. So what we need to do is set up the voice match. So now we just wait for setup. Now we click next. Hold up, it's asking me for some private info. Alright, so ready to set it up. Continue. So now that we got everything set up, all we have to say is, "Hey Google, what is my name?"
Your name is Nick.
Or anything like that. Also, you can also ask this. "Okay Google, what is a GTX 1080?
On the website nvidia.in, they say, NVIDIA's new flagship GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card is the most advanced gaming graphics card ever created.
As you can see, it can do many things like that.